Oh, there's something on the lens. Okay. Ready.
That was me. Are they gone? Oh. You got hiccups. He's just bouncing upward, eh?
Are they gone?
Mm. Can you make your hiccups go away? I think they're gone. Well, that wasn't very long hiccups.